Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the junkyard entrance, head straight to the cluster of derelict cars, and check the driver's seats quickly. Take the wrench and flashlight because you'll need them to loosen panels and see inside dim compartments. Once done, look for the gate with a green padlock and use any collected keys. This opens the path deeper. You do this first to avoid backtracking and to ensure every required tool is on hand before the harder interior steps. You move into the central lot toward the old delivery van, approach its rear and remove the fastened access panel using your wrench. When the panel is off, make sure to inspect the van's interior floor. There's a small trapdoor secured by rusted screws that hides components. Once the trapdoor is open, use the flashlight to peer beneath the seat where the battery sits in a blue case. You do this because the van hides the battery to discourage casual players, so thorough searching pays off. You carefully disconnect the clips and lift the blue-cased battery out from under the seat. Be deliberate to avoid snagging wires. Once removed, put the battery in your inventory and immediately test it on the nearby generator. If it powers the circuit, you're done. If it doesn't fit or connect, make sure terminals aren't bent and that you removed the tiny retention clip. Those small issues block installation. If problems persist, reload nearby checkpoints and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.